Hello, dear viewers. Today we will discuss another topic of chemistry, that is global warming. So, a full video tutorial is here. So, please like and subscribe my channel, Chemistry World. So, let's start our topic, that is on the global warming. We can start it by its definition. What is global warming? First of all, we will see that global warming refers to the long term rise in the average temperature of the Earth's climate system, primarily due to an increase in greenhouse gases caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation. Due to deforestation and burning of fossil fuels, the temperature of our climate is increased, that is known as global warming. This rise in temperature can lead to change in weather pattern, rising sea levels, and variety of other impacts on the environment and human societies. So this is a definition of global warming, that is refer as increase in the average temperature of the earth climate that is caused by the human activities. Next we will see the causes of global warming. Which factor cause the global warming? The main causes of global warming are greenhouse gases. The most significant contributor to global warming is the increase in greenhouse gases, that includes carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat from the sun, which would otherwise escape into space and cause the earth temperature to rise. So, this is the first reason for the global warming, that is greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide or methane. Next, we will see the another causes, that is the burning of fossil fuels. Due to burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas, they release large amount of carbon dioxide, that is the greenhouse gas, which cause the increase in temperature of our environment and cause global warming. So next we see the deforestation. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so the removal of forests from agriculture, urbanization, and other purposes reduce the earth's ability to absorb carbon dioxide, and this increased content of carbon dioxide will cause increase in the global warming. So next we will see the another factor, that is agriculture practices such as the use of fertilizer can release also nitrous oxide, a potent greenhouse gas, into the atmosphere. And next one is the industrial process such as cement production also release significant amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Second one is last one is transportation. The use of vehicles powered by fossil fuels also cause global warming. So these are all the causes of global warming. These are all factors. So next we will see the effects of global warming. What are the effects of global warming on environment and on human activities? So first we will see that effect of global warming are far reaching and can have significant impact on environment and the human activities. So first one is the rising sea level. As the earth temperature rises, the polar ice caps are melting, causing sea level to rise, which can lead to coastal flooding and erosion. So this is the first effect of global warming, that is rising sea level. So next we will see the another effect of global warming, that is extreme weather. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can lead to more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, and hurricanes and other extreme weather events. First one is the rising sea level, second one is the extreme weather, third one is the melting glaciers. The melting of glaciers can cause sea levels to rise and also disrupt freshwater supplies for humans and wildlife. So next one is the shifting ecosystem. Due to the severe temperature and changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can cause ecosystem to shift, leading to the loss of habitat for many species and the decline of biodiversity. So another one is the agricultural impacts. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can also impact agriculture, cause crop failure, food shortage, and prices increase. So these are all the effects of global warming. So next we will see the another effect, that is the human impact. What is the effect of global warming on human? It can cause the spread of disease such as those that is carried by the insects and can also impact on air quality. Next we will see the prevention from the global warming, how we can prevent from the global warming. So to study the global warming, we will see that several steps can be taken to prevent or slow down global warming. First one is the protecting and restoring forest. Forests absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, so protecting and restoring forests can help to slow down global warming. So this is the first main point or step to prevent from the global warming, that is protecting and restoring forest that can absorb carbon dioxide and slow down the process of global warming. Next factor that can also prevent is the reducing greenhouse gas emissions. The most effective way to slow down global warming is to reduce the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. This can be achieved through a variety of means, including improving energy efficiency, transitioning to clean energy sources, and reducing emissions from transportation. So this is the second step to prevent from the global warming, that is reducing greenhouse gases emission, that is the main cause of global warming. And another one is the promoting sustainable agriculture. Agriculture practices can contribute to global warming through the release of greenhouse gases and deforestation. Promoting sustainable agriculture, such as using alternative tillage method and reducing fertilizer, can also reduce the impacts of global warming on our environment. So we will see the another factor, that is the improving energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, vehicles, and appliances can also reduce energy use and agriculture and greenhouse gases emission. Next one is the investing in clean energy. If we can invest in clean energy sources such as wind, solar, and hydropower, can help to reduce the dependence on fossil fuel. And last one is the rising awareness. By raising public awareness about the issue of global warming and the importance of taking action, can also encourage communities and government to take steps to reduce the carbon footprint and slow down the global warming process. So these are all the prevention from the global warming. So first we will define the global warming, then we will discuss its causes, then its effects, and in the last we can see the prevention from the global warming. So this is the best topic and presentation on the global warming. So first of all, definition, causes, then its effects, and after this effects, its prevention. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Chemistry World.